Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to this beautiful family, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make vegetable soup, which is popularly known in the Yoruba land of Nigeria as riro. So as you can see here, I'm cutting up my ugwu leaf, which is also known as pumpkin by some people. Meanwhile, I forgot to record while I was washing my water leaf. The major ingredients you need for this soup is this leaf I'm cutting now. That's your ugu leaf or your pumpkin leaf and your water leaf. Then I actually like to add bitter leaf, a little bit of bitter leaf to mine, but this particular soup I'm making, I'm not adding any bitter leaf to it because that's how my family prefers it. Also, another key ingredient you will need is your Dawadawa. But funny enough, it was when my soup was completed, I discovered that I actually forgot to add my Dawadawa. So just keep watching, and I hope you enjoy the process and try it out and give me a feedback too. So, like I said, we have the pumpkin leaf, water leaf, your dada, your red oil, seasoning cubes, salt, and protein, of course. I actually forgot to record when I was washing and cutting my water leaf. So sorry about that. But it was while cutting this, I just said, why don't I just, record this? And that is why this is the process you are watching now. I then started by putting a pot on the fire and pouring my red oil into the pot and my onions, and you can see that is bell peppers I blended. If you like crayfish, put crayfish, and like I said, you're supposed to put the iru and fry everything together, but I forgot. Next, I put in my seasoning cubes and also a little bit of seasoning powder. Next, we add a little bit of salt. Okay, I just like salted to taste. So I would advise when you put your salt, always make sure that you don't put too much at a time so you don't spoil the food. It's better to put little at a time and then taste if it needs more instead of putting too much. Now, we're just going to give this a very good stir, just to distribute the ingredients within the food evenly, or to disperse it evenly within the food so that you don't have like Maggi piled in one place and salt piled in one place. While this is boiling up, you can just go ahead and start adding your protein. So here I'm using the Okporoko fish. I really don't know what it's called in English language, but I know it's called Okporoko. Ask anybody Okporoko, they'll know what Okporoko is. I'm just going to give this a good stir. So I'm going to be adding my protein, and my protein of choice here is goat meat. So you can see I have boiled my Kpomo. with my goat meat. So I'm just adding in my kpomo and my goat meat. Next, we want to add our water leaf, and this is going to be the only source of water to the soup. Vegetable soup does not need any water at all. So this water leaf, just as the name implies, is going to be the one that will give the soup all the liquid that it needs. After 10 minutes, now time to add your ugwu leaf. And know that once you add your ugwu leaf, vegetable soup doesn't need to cook for so long so that you don't kill the nutrients. So you just put in your ugwu leaf and leave it for, let's say, 2 minutes. That shouldn't be too much. And then it would be ready. And here we have our soup ready for eating. And it looks so good, but I promise you it tasted even better. So please like this video, subscribe, try out the recipe, and kindly get back to me on how you found it. Thanks for watching. Bye.